and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today I've been out and about and I've actually been flying my Mavic 2 and I've been testing some ND filters from the guys over at Freewell Gear, and specifically these ones. This is a set of long exposure filters from their 4K series for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and in this video I'm going to take you through what you get in the kit, why you might want to use these long exposure filters, and the kind of results that you can get with them. Now you might be thinking, well, what's the difference between long exposure ND filters and normal ones? Well, the basics are these are very, very high levels of light cut. It's an ND filter set that goes from ND 128 all the way up to ND 1000, and that means that you're able to use really long shutter speeds, and it means that you can get some really creative still images using those long shutter speeds to actually smooth the effect on water and things like that. So what we're going to do is take a look at what you get in the box and then try and demonstrate what these filters can actually do. Okay, so taking a closer look at the kit, in the box is 4 filters in total. It includes an ND 128, 256, 400 and a monstrous ND 1000, and what that means is you will get up to 7 stops of light cut on the ND 128, 8 stops on the 256, 9 stops on the 400 and a total of 10 stops on the ND 1000. Now when you open the box, the filters come in this nice plastic hard case. You also get a nice cleaning cloth in the kit as well. I haven't actually got that with me today. When you lift the lid on the case, you will see that the filters are housed inside in this nice foam packaging, and it stops them falling out as soon as you lift the lid. As I've said, these are Freewell's 4K series filters as well. So what that does mean is that they are double-sided multi-coated filters. They are made from high precision aluminium casings and they have a really good, nice quality glass. Further to that, because they are Freewell's 4K series, they also include their usual lifetime warranty as well. Now, as I mentioned at the start, these filters are going to allow you to get very creative with your drone photography. Now, specifically, these filters are really for stills photography. Whilst you can use them for video, the idea of very big stop ND filters is to get longer shutter times, so it means that you're able to get that cool effect on water or that effect on anything that's moving. So if you're looking for long exposure filters for video, this isn't really the best use for them. They are primarily designed for taking stills. Now, just like all the filters on the DJI Mavic 2, they simply clip on with the little clips that are on the back. You simply remove the glass off the existing filter. So I've got a normal ND filter on the camera at the moment, which is also from Freewell Gear. You simply unclip it and take it off. You place it over the top of the camera, clip it into place, and it really is as simple as that. And as you can see, I've selected the ND 1000 there at the moment, so that means I'm going to get the best possible light cut, which is going to allow me to use the longest shutter times compared to the others. Now, in the rest of this video, I'm going to try and demonstrate these filters in use and try and show you what they're like in real world conditions. I haven't had a lot of time to play with them, but what I have been able to do is test them, and so far I'm very pleased with them. There is a minimal amount of light shift. Whenever you are using a long exposure filter and a very high level ND, you will find that there can be some color shift. It's very hard to prevent. However, these is absolutely minimal in my personal tests. However, what I'm going to try and do is demonstrate for you in real world, and you guys make your mind up for yourself. Okay, so just to quickly demonstrate this in use, I've got the ND 1000 fitted on at the moment, and as you can see, I'm looking at some water flowing over the rocks, and I'm in manual camera settings mode. And just to give you an idea, what I am at is I'm in manual mode, ISO 100, aperture fully open at 2.8, and my shutter speed at 3.2 seconds. So it means when I'm taking stills, I've got a really nice long shutter speed, and it means that it's going to smooth that water movement off. And as you will see in the footage at the end of this video, you will see from the still images that I've taken the kind of effects that you can get from these filters. And that is it for this video. As I've said, if you're looking for a set of long exposure filters for your drone photography, and especially stills photography on your drone, please do check these ones out from the guys over at Freewell Gear. In this kit, as I've said, it's ND128 over to ND1000. They also make a monstrous ND2000 as well. So if you are looking for the ultimate level of light cut, they really do that option as well. There's a link to these in the description of this video as well. Please do go check that out, as well as links to the Mavic 2 if you're after one of them, or anything like the Crystal Sky Bracket 2. That's it for this video. Please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will do another one again soon. And that is it for this video. If you've liked what you've seen, please do check out some of the other videos we have on the channel. As I've mentioned, we do have over 150 of them. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. By clicking that button in the bottom right hand corner of the video, you'll get updates, and please do check out the links in the description if you're going to buy any products. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll do another video again soon.